missing photos, messages, or contacts after switching to a new iPhone? Or maybe you deleted important files and need them back. Many users think the only way to restore iCloud data is to erase their iPhone and restore a full backup. But what if you only need a few specific files? In this video, I'll show you how to selectively recover data from iCloud without resetting your iPhone. Part 1. Before recovering your data. It's important to understand how iCloud actually works. Many people think all iPhone data is simply stored in iCloud, but Apple uses two different systems. The first one is iCloud Sync. It keeps data like photos, contacts, notes, and calendars updated across your Apple devices. The second one is iCloud Backup. Unlike syncing, an iCloud backup is a snapshot of your iPhone at a specific time. It can include app data, messages, settings, and other important information. So even if some data is missing from your current iPhone, an older iCloud backup may still contain what you need. However, Apple's official restore method usually restores the entire backup, which is not ideal if you only need specific files. That's why many users look for a more flexible recovery method. Part 2. Recover data from iCloud account. If your missing data comes from iCloud Sync, you can try recovering it directly from your iCloud account. First, download and install UltData from the link in the description. Open the software and select Recover Data from iCloud. Then choose iCloud Account Data Recovery. Sign in with your Apple ID and complete two-factor authentication. After logging in, select the data types you want to recover, such as photos, contacts, messages, or notes. UltData will scan the available data and let you preview files before recovery. Select the files you need and recover them to your computer. Part 3. Recover data from iCloud Backup. If you want to recover older data from an iCloud backup, choose Recover from iCloud Backup. After signing in, UltData will show the available backup files linked to your account. Select the backup you want to check, and UltData will analyze the backup data. Unlike Apple's full restore method, you can select only the files you need, such as photos, messages, or WhatsApp data. After scanning, preview the recoverable files directly inside the software. Once you confirm the files you need, click Recover to PC. Your selected data will be exported to your computer without resetting your iPhone. Part 4. Recover deleted iPhone data without backup. What if you don't have an iCloud backup? Go back to the main interface and choose iPhone Data Recovery. UltData can scan your iPhone and look for recoverable deleted data directly from the device. It supports recovering files such as photos, messages, and other supported data. If you also use computer backups, UltData supports iTunes Backup Recovery, allowing you to extract specific files from your backup instead of restoring everything. Click the link in the description to try UltData and recover your lost iPhone data now. If you've recovered successfully, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!